Maribasiya.
Marusia, I'm a grandfather. I'm your grandfather. You are my grandmother. I'm angry with you because you told me Sia.
I angry with you.
Why? I didn't hit you. I didn't shout at you. What's the reason?
You said me Archie.
Yeah, it's true. You have no teeth. You walk like this. That's why. What grade are you in?
I'm grade 1.
Where do you live?
I live in Polgasovita. It's on the floor. It is a red ball. It is a rubber ball. The cat is black. The cat walks over the ball.
The ball. Where is the ball?
On the floor.
What color is the ball?
The ball is red.
The ball is red. Do you have a ball?
Yes, I have a ball.
Where does the baby look at?
The ball.
Ball. What color is the cat?
The cat is black.
Where does the cat walk?
The cat walks over the ball.
The cat hits you.
Nah, the ball.
How old is your sister?
5 months.
5 months. What is her name? Dayavati.
Michanala.
I thought Dayavati. Where's your father?
My father is in the office.
He didn't come yet.
No,
Where are you now?
I am in the living room.
I am in the living room. What are you learning?
I am learning English.
Who is teaching?
My sir.